Loves applesauce.
Do you flashing gang signs?
You might be. I need the spoon back.
Oh, he got even dirtier if that was possible.
Yep. Always enjoying himself. At least he's eating, right?
Mm-hmm.
So apples and bananas are okay by him. Oh, sorry, jeez. He's like, come on, Mom, I'm hungry. Go ahead. Oh, it was really bad.
Is the finger in there? Oh yeah, it's still in there. I'm getting that real good. Yep, that's how we eat, right? We stick one finger in the spoon
It's helping it.
and the rest in the mouth, right?
It's effective. He's good. Well, I don't know.
Maybe he's pushing it back in.
I was gonna use that spoon because it's a little smaller. Maybe I'll try that. Oh, here you go. Nope, he'll use it when they want to. Oh, God. Oh.
No, that's just dripping down the chin.